Hey guys, and welcome back to Believe the Hype, coming to you from New York City for NBA All-Star Weekend. And as you can see, it is bucketing down with snow right now, and so we thought we'd go and ask some of the NBA All-Stars that if this was going to become a blizzard, what 2 items must they have with them?
Food and a blanket.
If I was stuck in a blizzard, 2 things that I would bring with me. Coat and some money.
Probably my iPod and water.
Xbox and my phone.
A blanket and a phone.
A coat and some food.
Man, trapped inside New York blizzard. I'll bring a heater and I'll bring something to make a fire. So some matches and a big winter coat. 2 things I bring with me. Probably an iPad or anything electronically to watch, some TV shows. Some food, of course, some food. Yeah, you gotta have some food to eat.
Mate, it's freezing cold today. If it was a blizzard and you were stuck in a hotel room in a blizzard, what 2 items must you have with you?
My son and some food.
A cell phone and a charger.
My cell phone. My headphones.